What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. You guys, hope you're being safe, washing your hands, and staying corona free, you guys. You know, what can we do on days like this? We can garden. That's what we can do. Do what you can do. I'm about to get my patio together. You know, I've been out here all day working on and off, on and off. But you remember those Jiffy PEAT pellets I told you that I didn't really care for? Some of them starting to germinate a little bit here and there. You think I'm gonna waste these? Absolutely not. Don't think I throw nothing away. Anybody got no money? Okay, okay. Ain't nobody got no money. I'm gonna take these things and watch what I'm gonna do with these right quick, y'all. Yep. Ain't no editing in this video. I'm gonna take some of these and into this garden here where I don't have a lot planted, and also over there, you know, you guys, yeah, it's coming along. Garden's coming along. I'm gonna tell you what, these pellets is not going to waste today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I gotta do that all the way across. All the way across, y'all. Yep. It's okay if you mess up some already coming up. It's all right. It's all right. We got more where that came from. We got more where that came from. But these pellets ain't going to waste. I'm tell you that. Take these ones that's getting little sprouts on them. Stick them right in there. Cover them up. Leave them alone. Stick them right in there. That one ain't got nothing in it. Stick them right on in there. And cover them right on up. And leave them alone. I'm going to water them though. Okay, you guys, so that's what I'm doing. I'm taking these pellets right out of here and putting them right in the ground. You know, it is what it is. They grow, they don't, they don't. At least I know it's some peat moss in my soil. You know, just put them on in there. And I'll probably come back through and put some garden soil on top of them. Okay, you guys, so if your Jiffy PEAT pellets don't work out for you, that's okay. Use them. Use them anyway. Stick them in the ground. Stick them right on in the ground anyway. Fertilize your soil. Keep it moving. Like I said, we plant a lot of different things over here. Yep, just throw them in there. They come up, they come up. If they don't, it's okay. They ain't come up in that little tray. So just pop them in the ground. Pop them in the ground. Your old peat pellets or whatever. Pop them right in the ground. Pop them in there. What can it hurt, you guys? Right? What can it hurt? If they germinate, if there's some seeds that were waiting, that's okay. They'll come up now in our garden, right? And this was in a bucket. This plant here was in a bucket, sitting on the side of the greenhouse. I think it's an onion or a leek. So we just planted that too. Just throw them in the ground. You know, we're early in the season. Nobody's a professional. There's no competition. Do you? Do you? Okay? There's 4 more in here. I'm gonna put these over here on this one. Just to see. I'm over here in this corner. That's upside down. Let's give it a fighting chance. Turn it right side up. Okay. You see? See what I just did? Put all those peat pellets in there like that. Just cover them. Cover them with the dirt that you already have in there, y'all. Just cover them. Cover them on back up. And if there's anything valuable in there that can come out, it'll come out. If not, oh well, we didn't lose anything, right? I think that's everything covered. And this ground is fertile and has some good stuff in it. So let's just water it a little bit. Sorry for the messy video. It's supposed to be on shower. Okay, there we go. Just water it in. The PEAT pellets we put in the ground, just water it in. Beautiful day out. The tomatoes over there, they're hanging in there. You know, if they make it 48, 72 hours, you know they're pretty much good in the soil. So that means this soil is working for them over there. So we're just gonna water those pellets. Water Miss Terry's garden, water our other garden a little bit. Yeah, you guys, things are turning green. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. If you have not done so already, please click like and subscribe. I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff in it. I love you guys. You're the best.